Welcome to Amsterdam Airport in the early morning, a great start to our journey. Today, we're about to embark on a journey in Cathay Pacific's A350-1000 business class. This trip was filmed on Cathay Pacific in October 2024. This improved seat, a collaboration between Cathay Pacific and Safran, is truly remarkable. It might have one of the most spacious foot areas among the reverse herringbone seats. For reasons we all know, the flight time between East Asia and Europe currently has been extended in most cases. Cathay Pacific hasn't been affected much actually. Its flight time is still kept within 12 hours. The flight distance from Amsterdam to Hong Kong is approximately 5,773 miles. Considering the appropriate flight time, the service that is gradually getting back on track, and the excellent transfer experience at Hong Kong Airport, Cathay Pacific might be a great choice. Cathay Pacific is located at Terminal 3 of Amsterdam Airport. It has a direct flight once a day on the Amsterdam-Hong Kong route by Cathay. Amsterdam Airport is the home base of SkyTeam, but we're flying with Cathay Pacific. As you can see, Cathay Pacific has only opened to check-in counters for business and first class. Once there's a slight unexpected situation, your check-in process will become very long. Of course, there's no first-class product on this route. It's provided for Oneworld Emerald members or airlines in Oneworld. To go through the priority security check, you need to walk all the way from Terminal 3 to the side of the KLM counter. It's quite a long way. Amsterdam Airport is excellent in itself. There are many comfortable chairs, power sockets, and food and beverage options. The Oneworld Lounge at Amsterdam Airport is located on the third floor between boarding gates D and E in the non-Shenzhen departure area. It should be the first lounge in Europe and the second in the world. The first one is located at Incheon Airport in South Korea. The lounge isn't very big. The color scheme of the seats fits well with the brand image of Oneworld. The variety of the buffet is quite rich. There are both Chinese and Western dishes, something for everyone. You can order cocktails and coffee at the bar at the entrance. To celebrate the 25th anniversary of the founding of the Oneworld Airline Alliance, Oneworld has launched a limited edition cocktail called the 25. This cocktail has been taken off the shelves at Hong Kong Airport, but you can still drink it in Amsterdam. The business class of Cathay Pacific's A350-1000 features reverse herringbone seats arranged in a 1-to-1 layout. This saffron seat may look familiar at first glance, but Cathay Pacific has improved the crucial lugroom and has a very unique Cathay Pacific color scheme. It's indeed not a very private seat, as there's no door. Compared with various suites, it's not as spacious either. It feels just right on this A350-1000. Today's seat is 21K located on the right side of the aircraft. There's a storage compartment on the right-hand side where the headphones are placed. The headrest is adjustable. There's a large pillow at the waist for support. This 8.5-inch screen not only offers a rich selection of TV shows and movies, but also provides live TV broadcasts, as well as real-time images from 2 external cameras. On the left side of the screen is a hook for the coat. Below it is a magazine rack. On the side is a very large storage space. By the way, the universal socket of this seat is behind this amenity kit and it's not easy to find. The reading light is controlled by a physical knob. It's not easy to touch it by mistake, and the design is also very nice. Like other reverse herringbone seats, the armrest is adjustable to prevent you from rolling off when lying down. This is a very successfully improved seat, a great choice for a long flight. Let's take a quick look at this amenity kit. The things inside are all very common, so I won't introduce them.
Inpassen of te zwanger zijn, zal ons cabinepersoneel deze voor u in het bagageruim laten plaatsen.
The in-flight Wi-Fi has been provided for free to business class passengers since September this year. During this time, it's the League of Legends World Championship. Watching the game is effortless. And playing mobile games can also complete daily tasks. This flight offers 2 meals and all-day snacks between the 2 meals. For flights departing from non-Hong Kong locations, Cathay Delight might be drunk up by previous flights. I encountered this, understandable, but it could be improved. After all, signature drink. For the starter, I chose shredded chicken with vermicelli, paired with these 2 slices of garlic bread. I'm almost full. For the main course, I chose sweet and sour pork chops. It's very flavorful, but the texture is just so-so. My wife chose baked cod. Let me show you this. For dessert and fruits after the meal. They are brought by a trolley for you to choose freely. After lunch, the flight attendants dimmed the cabin lights to let passengers sleep better. After waking up, I ordered a bowl of satay beef noodles. I have to say it's much tastier than that sweet and sour pork chops. Provided is chili sauce. I wish it was satay sauce instead. For breakfast, I chose a very common Western breakfast, but my wife chose this light breakfast, full of cheese and meat. The toilet area of the A350-1000 is generally not as large as that of the Boeing 777, but fortunately there is usually a window in the toilet, so it won't seem very oppressive. Overall, this is a very pleasant journey. For the service of the flight attendants, I think Cathay Pacific is just right. Although there has been very frequent personnel turnover in the past few years, resulting in many new employees not having enough proficiency in facing various situations in the cabin. Have a safe flight and see you next time.